In this short video tutorial, I will teach you how to reactivate your Spark driver account. First of all, you need to find out why your account was deactivated. For that, you need to check your email for messages from Spark driver explaining the reason. There are some common reasons, for example, background check issues, policy violations, inactivity, or expired documents. So after that, you need to gather required information. Make sure your driver license is valid. Also, you can update your insurance and registration if needed. And also make sure that you have your phone and Spark driver login ready. After that, you can reach to the Spark driver support, open the Spark driver app, go to the help section and select contact support, or you can use their contact email, which is right here. Be polite and explain why you want your account reactivated. You can submit missing documents, of course, if it's requested. Upload any updated documents through the app, license, insurance, background check, or any other documents. Double check that photos are clear and unexpired. And finally, you can wait for the review. Reactivation can take a few days depending on the issue. Check your email and Spark Driver app for updates. Also, there is a tip to avoid future deactivation. You can keep your documents updated, follow delivery policies, and stay active on the platform. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.